everybody, thank you for being interested in this first part of my Progressive Web App workshop. It describes the main setup for creating a PWA with Create React App and all the things around it. Besides this, it shows everything about how to set up your development environment. So let us dive in. The main question we have to answer is if a PWA can support all features we want to use to generate a great XR Web3 experience with Babylon. So let us build a PWA MVP to evaluate the PWA project setup, app creation and installation under iOS or Android. We will do this for a local development environment under macOS. You can easily create and set up a PWA project using Create React App. After register your service worker, adding your different app icons and setting up your manifest file, you can install your PWA on macOS. You can install your PWA under Android. And you can install it under iPadOS. But first you have to go through some, say, specifics. Creating the PWA with Create React App is very easy. After set up your project with npx, you have to register your service worker, setting up your favicons in the right dimensions and adopt your app manifest file. You register your service worker by editing the file, index.tsx, and change the method service worker unregister to service worker register. Then you have to deploy a production build via the command, yarn build, and serve this via a HTTPS server. But how do you do this in a local environment? The easiest way to serve your PWA in a local environment via HTTPS server is to use Node's HTTP server module. But how can you set up the HTTP server to serve your PWA as a secure? It is the S of HTTPS 1. The utility, mkcert, is your friend. Mkcert creates a local certification authority on your system which you can use after the installation to generate and set up the corresponding certificates and keys for your local host. Of course, you can generate as much certificates for as many hostnames you want. But please, do not use the certificates outside of your local environment. If you start the HTTP server module with the specific certificates and keys and serve your PWA build artifacts with it, you can access your PWA with your browser under the URL https://localhost port 8080. But there's one little thing. You will observe that the browser does not trust your HTTP server session, and because of that you can't install the PWA on your system. You have to install the root certificate of the system where you have installed your certificate authority via mkcert. You can find the installation path of the root certificate with the command mkcert. It's called root.ca.pem. But how do you install this root certificate on your mobile device? Well, if you want, please have a look at one of my YouTube shorts called PWA Development: How to Install a Local Root Certificate under iOS. This short demonstrates every step to serve, install and activate a foreign local root certificate under iPadOS. Thank you for viewing my first PWA workshop, and if you like it, please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Goodbye and take care of you. Hopefully see you on my workshop number 2.